Hello everyone, this is Swapna from the channel The Tech Outlook. In today's video, I will be talking about how to insert multiple documents in a collection. In previous videos, you must have seen how to insert documents in collection. But here we will be talking about multiple documents at a time. So before inserting multiple documents in a collection, firstly we need to create collection. So here I will create collection db dot create collection. As we all know that MongoDB is case sensitive, so this C should be in capital letter, and name of the collection orders. So here you can see collection is created order db.create collection order. Now we have to insert documents in this collection. So here I have to use insert many instead of insert. db.name of the collection dot insert and many, in which M should be in capital. Insert many, so at a time we can insert multiple documents. Then we have to use square bracket while inserting multiple documents in a collection. So we will use it, and then this is nothing but first object in which we are inserting values in key value fashion. First id colon 1, and then name of the customer. Then I will take Rakesh, the name of the customer, and then amount or the product which he has bought. Name of the product is t-shirt, and then amount, so suppose 1000. So this is the first document. In the same statement I am using second object which will be treated as a second document. First id colon, suppose the same customer has bought another product, so I can have the same details, name Rakesh, and then product. Then we will have suppose mobile, and then amount suppose 30,000. So this is my second object. Now the third object in which I will be having another details, cost id colon 2, and then name of the customer, suppose Anuja, and then product which she has bought is kurta, and then the amount of that kurta is suppose 2000. Then the next object we will have cost id 3, then name of that customer is Anushka, then product which she has bought is suppose pen, or we will have a diary suppose, and then amount of that diary is 200 rupees. Okay, so these are the 4 documents which we have inserted in order collection at a time, and then we will close it with closing square bracket and closing bracket, round bracket. So here you can see acknowledge true. It means our command is syntactically correct and 4 object IDs are created. Each object ID for each document. Right, so whether all the documents are inserted or not, that can be executed or that can be seen with the command db dot order dot find. So you can see the same object ID 546, 547, 548 and 549. So this is the video in which I have shown you how to insert multiple documents in single command using insert many function. Thank you so much. Insert many command. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Just keep watching my video.